From Gem. Okay, let's go and do it. Come here. Come. Can you help Mama? Is having a hard time. Hey guys, this is Dhin from Gem from What channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy creamy chickpea masala. And let's go ahead and do it. Finely chop onion. Cut red bell pepper into thin strips. Roughly chop parsley. Heat wok in medium heat with olive oil. Once hot, add in onion and let it sweat. Add spices, starting with masala, turmeric, finally curry. Red bell pepper, chickpeas. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Plant-based milk. Fresh parsley. Cornstarch with water. Cook until it thickens. All natural vegetable bouillon powder. Butter. Stir until it all dissolves. Spinach. Taste test and add more spices according to your liking. Cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat. Serve warm with your favorite rice. Garnish with toasted almond flakes, fresh parsley, and lemon wedge. Wow. This is the finished product. If you guys have any comments, this is one of our favorites. My husband really loves this. Yeah, if you have any comments or any suggestions that you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Thanks, bye, enjoy. What's your name? Speak. Okay, thank you, good boy. And?
Very good. Très très bon.
Très bon. What is this? Shrimp chips. Shrimp chips too. Shrimp chips. You want this? No? Okay, fine. Good? How do you say that in Korean? Do you know?
맛있어.
Huh?
맛있어.
맛있어? 맛있어. About in Tagalog, do you know?
sarap.
Ah, good. Asirso,
Ma.
맛있어, and masarap. Oh, wow. Good job. Okay, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and we'll send you a free dish.
This is Carlton. Welcome to Gem from What channel. Like and subscribe.